Okay, let's see. Okay, I guess the problem was something like this one. And first of all, we'll do part A. We'll just run through the whole problem. We need to figure out how many, well, what date we would end up on for 153 days after January 2nd. So January 2nd is in here, day 2. And we're going to add 153 to that. So that makes 153 added to the 2, so it's 155 days. Now if you go to the table back in here and you look for 155, just happens to be in the table that they gave us. That would be the 4th of June. Okay, 155. So 2 plus 153 days would put you at 155 days. Okay, so that's June 4th. June 4th. Okay, so this is June 4th. Okay, 153 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that in here. And in here, June 4. Okay, and we can check our answer, and it's good. Okay, now how much did it actually pay for the Treasury bill? Well, let's see, it's $4,000, and we have a 4.42% discount. So back over here, well, what you have to do is view this as, you know, you're in a sense when you buy the bond or the Treasury note, in this case, you're lending the government money, and the government's going to pay you for that, but it isn't going to pay you until the maturity date. Okay, so what it pays you is the interest that money, the $4,000 would earn. So what you'll do is you'll calculate this. You'll take I as PRT. You'll have 4,000 times the interest rate, which in our case was 0.442, and it's 153 days, but you got to convert it, so you divide by 360. Okay, and that number will be, let me see, what is that number? 4,000. So I have 75.14. Okay, so let's just come back here and input that. So now what we put in here, what he paid for it was the difference, because he's not really paying $4,000. He's going to pay what he pays is the 4,000 minus the 7514. So it'll be what, 3,924 and 86 cents, right? Okay, so that's what he's actually paying. So let's put that in here. 3,924 and 86 cents. Okay. All right. Now, how much interest did the U.S. government pay Chris on the date of maturity? Well, that was the number we already calculated. That was the 7514. Okay, so let's check that. All right, what's the actual rate of interest? Well, for here, what we do is we have to remember, I'm going to use this formula again, I equals PRT. And this time, 7514 was the interest, but government actually only got 39.2486 because it paid $75.14 for the interest. So it actually only got this much money from, what's his name, Chris or whoever that was. So this new rate is calculated this way, and we use the same 153 over 360. But what's different is the R. We need to solve this for R. So if you multiply 360 over 153 times the 7514, and then divide it by 3,924.86. That should be R. Okay, so do that. And when you do that, you're going to get in here 0.045046. That's approximately R. So we can say that that's 4.5, well, 4.50%. Okay, to the nearest hundredth of a percent. All right, so we'll come in here. We'll try that. And check it out. And it's all good. Okay, so that's how we handle that discounted note. When you buy that note, you don't get that. It's discounted. You don't get that until you pay it off. Until the government pays you. And when it matures, you get the money back. But you only had to pay that much for it. So, okay. So that's our number there. All right, hope that helped.